Hi, I'm Roy from Elementor, and welcome to another First Look, introducing the latest features and capabilities from the Elementor editor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build smarter, lighter, and fully atomic tab layouts with the new Atomic Tabs element. And I'll also introduce you to entrance interactions, a new system for granular motion effects designed for clarity and control. So, let's jump in. The editor is becoming a fully atomic interface with single div wrappers, class-driven styling, and a CSS-first foundation. Currently, the Atomic version 4 features are still in alpha, and this phase is all about exploration, testing, and feedback. But I'm excited to share that a production-ready beta version is just around the corner, and it will be released in the first quarter of 2026. To try out the new features on your staging or test site, first, make sure you update to the latest Elementor version. Then, in the WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor, Settings, Editor V4, and click Activate. Tabs are one of the most highly requested atomic elements, and now they're here, giving you complete control over structure, styling, and interaction. Besides being lighter, faster, and supporting classes and variables, what's really new and exciting here is that these atomic tabs break the traditional widget structure into independent elements you can style and configure individually. It's broken down into tabs, the main wrapper. Then there's tab menu, which is the secondary wrapper representing the full row of tab triggers. Underneath it are tab triggers, each individual trigger. The second secondary wrapper is for the tab's content area. And lastly, there's the tab content of each individual tab. This means you can nest any content inside the tabs or panels, so images, icons, headings, whatever your design calls for. Because everything is built with atomic structure, styling becomes much more flexible. You can assign classes, apply styles that cascade cleanly, and understand your whole layout from the structure panel. Here's the sushi restaurant site I'm working on. We'll use atomic tabs for the restaurant menu. So our tabs will be entries, sushi, stir fry, and desserts. I'll start by styling the triggers. Now it's possible to nest anything inside, so we can have a small icon for each category. Moving on to the content in the tabs, I can give each tab a unique look. Entrance interactions introduce the first stage of the new atomic interactions, bringing subtle, performance-minded motion into the atomic editor designed for clarity and full control. You'll now see a third tab called Interactions next to General and Style. Now let's add our first interaction. For the trigger, I have two options: Page Load for playing animations as the page loads, or Scroll into View for playing animations once the element enters the viewport. For effects, I have Fade, Slide, and Scale, and I can select in or out. For directions, down, up, left, and right. I can also play with the duration and the delay. So everything is granular, giving you complete freedom and control with no presets. You can also stack multiple effects together. Okay, let's start with something simple. I have this big hero heading, and I want it to fade in on page load. Each effect also includes a preview button for instant feedback. Let's add some more complex motion to our hero section. Okay, one more cool example, and this time we'll use a Scroll into View trigger because this section is below the fold. I'll make the three cards appear one by one, fading in and sliding in from above. This update also introduces display conditions for atomic elements, media queries and custom CSS, span support in the paragraph element, plus an atomic flexbox now wraps all the new atomic elements that are added to your page. So, many reasons to update: flexible nested tabs, lightweight entrance interactions, and workflow improvements that make designing with the editor smoother and more intuitive. Update now, activate and explore version 4, and let us know what you think here in the comments. I'm Roy from Elementor, and I can't wait to see what you create next.